Hi again, Year 9. We're moving straight on with the home learning from the 2019 pre-release booklet looking at tropical rainforests. And this week we're going to have a look at the structure of tropical rainforests. So on the screen you should see the extract from the booklet. Pause the video now to have a read through and start thinking about the sorts of questions you might be asked. Okay, so hopefully you've taken all of that in and any notes you might need. Here you can see the 4 distinct layers of the rainforest and their different characteristics. You may have started linking in some of your own learning on this topic from the classroom, perhaps thinking about wildlife you might see on each, or perhaps about the heights of the layers, etc., etc. Right, so we're going to have a look at the exam questions again for this section. There is a selection of questions on your screen to have a go at here. Remember, it's about 1 minute per mark, so pause the video and try to stick to that time frame. Okay, so the answers are coming up now. So for the first question, describe the physical conditions in the ground layer. 2 marks, okay, you just need to make 2 separate points, okay. I've put a range up there, for example, hot, it's humid, made up of decomposed material, many scattered plants and fungi. 1 mark per point that is accurate to that ground layer. Second question, outline how trees in the emergent layer have adapted to thrive in their environment, okay. Again, 2 marks. So you get your first mark for making your basic point about what the adaptation is. Okay, so here I've gone for the trees grow with long trunks so that their leaves are above the canopy. That's worth 1 mark. The second mark is for developing that point further and explaining how it helps them to thrive in their environment. Okay, so I've gone, this helps them because it makes it easier for them to get sunlight for photosynthesis. And the third question suggests 2 ways in which animals might have adapted to spend their life in the canopy layer. Again, 2 marks, so it's 1 mark for each way you've got. It could be things like tails and claws to grip onto branches, their diet to consume leaves of plants found in that layer. It could be their colouring to camouflage from predators in that area. Any 2 that are adaptations of animals that would help them in that layer would count here, okay? No plant adaptations, it needs to be about animals. So, final question for this week. Okay, we're going to have a look at this 4-mark question. Okay, so again, you should spend about 4 minutes doing. You will need to tie in some of your wider knowledge and not just what was in the booklet text this time to help you. Okay, so pause the video here and have a go at it. So hopefully you've written an answer. I've put a copy of the mark scheme up here on the screen for you to see how you've got on. So as you can see, this question is level marked, okay? You can see that in this table here on the right hand side. The more basic answers will get 1 to 2 marks and the clear answers will get 3 to 4, okay? The bullet points on the left of the screen give an idea as to the sorts of things that you could have included in your answer. So you might have used those ones, or there are some others that you might have used that would work here as well. Remember, for this question, the command word needed you to explain the adaptations, not just say what they are, okay? So this means that explaining why the adaptation will help the plant. And if you have just said what the adaptation is, for example, trees in rainforest have buttress roots, it would stay in the basic level. To move to clear, you would need to add the buttress roots help provide stability for the tree, helping it not to fall over in extreme weather conditions. So thanks again for watching another of these videos, and hopefully we'll be able to deliver them all in person very soon. Bye.